video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple personal pocket alarm. This device can be very useful to use. You can use it to either prank your friends, or to maybe use in a party, or use as an alternative to pepper spray. If someone is mugging you, you can simply use this loud alarm to ward them off, or to call for help. So, let's get started on building this. And the parts that you're going to need is a simple 9-volt battery connector, a single pull, single throw switch, a 9-volt battery with some neodymium magnets attached to it, and a pre-programmed buzzer. What's useful about this is all you have to do is just apply power from this 9-volt battery and it will go off. And these neodymium magnets I plan to glue attached to the buzzer, so that way you can be able to just put your 9-volt battery attached to it and it'll just stick on and stick off. It's an easy way to change the battery if you need to. So let's go ahead and start assembling this. So what I'm going to do is just take these two wires, slip it through this hole, pull it fairly tight, and kind of wrap it around like this. Now let's go ahead and solder the positive wire from the buzzer to your single pull, single throw switch. There you go. Now attach the 9-volt positive to the switch. Put some hot glue to the wire as you're pulling on the wire, so that way it stays in place. Put a little more hot glue on the other side. And for extra security, add a little bit of hot glue to the wire in case you pull too hard, or it's also to keep it in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some more hot glue onto the other side of the hole and attach my switch. Now I'm going to go and bend the two sides of the switch. It's optional. I prefer to do it because it just looks a little nicer. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some shrink tubing on the negative wire. And now I'm going to solder the negative wire from the 9-volt battery connector to the negative wire of the buzzer. Slide the shrink tubing over it to keep it insulated. Apply some heat to shrink the tube. Pinch it. Sometimes pinching it also helps too when it's hot. There. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the wire and glue it into place. And there, your buzzer is now almost completed. Now I want to get these neodymium magnets and glue them onto the buzzer. Now I'm going to go and glue them into place, just like that. Now the magnets are now glued into place, and now when the battery runs out, I can just simply take the battery off just like that, and then just get another battery and put it on top just like that. more hot glue to keep it more secure. And there you have it. Now you just simply connect your battery. Stick it in the back, and it connects just like that. And now your device is now complete. And you can even see, if shaking it, it doesn't come off. It's well attached. Now, let's go ahead and test it out. And there you have it. Your DIY personal pocket alarm is now complete. It's a very, very handy device, very simple device to make, and a very fun device to make as well. Like what I've said earlier, you can use it to prank your friends, or you can use it for security purposes. Thank you for watching SciTiTech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTiTech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.